Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza roll dough. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and half a teaspoon of salt. Also, prepare 3/4 of a cup of warm water, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, yeast, and salt. Then, gradually pour in the warm water and olive oil. Stir everything with a spoon until a shaggy dough starts to form. Once it comes together, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic and springs back when gently poked. After kneading, lightly oil a clean bowl and place your dough inside, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm spot for about 60 minutes. It should roughly double in size, showing the yeast is working its magic. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then transfer it to a lightly floured surface. Roll it out evenly to about 1/8 of an inch thick, preparing it for your delicious fillings. Finally, it's time to prepare your pizza rolls for baking. Using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, slice the rolled-out dough into 2-inch by 2-inch squares. This size is perfect for creating individual, bite-sized pizza rolls. Place your desired fillings and a pinch of cheese in the center of each square, then fold and seal them tightly. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Bake them until golden brown and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.